Find your focus with this mini 3-minute meditation. Close down your eyes and bring your conscious awareness to the rise and fall of your chest. Place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on your belly. Become aware of the here and the now for just 3 minutes. Harness your attention. Breathe in and release. Again, breathe in deeply and release. Set your intention for the next 24 hours. What is it you would like to do, be, or accomplish? Visualize that at the forefront of your mind, every detail. Wonderful. Now you're going to count back from 10 until 0. And with each breath, you will come down a number. Breathe in and release. 9. So on and so forth. Well done. You are more calm. You are more relaxed. You are more at peace. And you are more focused than ever. Calm mind and calm body. Repeat to yourself or out loud. I am calm and I am focused. I am calm and I am focused. Very well. And I will meet you back here tomorrow for our next meditation.